Hey guys, it's Mrs. LeMay. Welcome back for another mini phonics lesson. We are working on skill 10 and I've also added a new vocab root this week. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, our sentence for today is, he thinks that his basketball card is blank, big word alert, because it has a gold trim. I know that it's not real gold though. Okay, so we have this big word. Let's decode it. It is a skill 10 word, so we're going to go ahead and decode it. So you will need a whiteboard, marker, and eraser. Go. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, you should have a whiteboard, marker, and eraser. I'm going to have you write this word down. I will spell it for you because it's a big one. Okay, Tribbenhut. Make sure you have your word spelled correctly. Okay, mark your vowels, divide your word. Go for it. And try and beat me. See if you can beat me. And if I'm going too fast, please pause the video. Okay. Okay, it should look something like this. Okay, there are 4 vowels and they are spaced apart, so that means we probably have 4 vowel sounds, which means there are 4 syllables. Okay, so we should have drawn 3 lines to give us 1, 2, 3, 4 syllables. Okay, let's look at our first syllable. It is closed. Trib, closed. Mutt, closed. 10, closed. Hut. Whole word. Tribmutton hut. Tribmutton hut. All right. So now that we know how to pronounce our word, Tribmutton hut, let's go back and see if we can figure out what it means. Okay. Gotta make me smaller. There we go. Okay, he thinks that his basketball card is Tribmutton because it has a gold trim. I know that it's not real gold though. So think about a basketball card. It has a gold trim, so there's gold on the outside of it. Normally that would mean that something is what if it has gold on it. But I know that it's not real gold though. So take a few seconds, write down one word, a synonym for Tribmutton on your board. What do you think Tribmutton means? Go. And remember, you don't have to have the exact same word as me. We just need a general meaning. Okay, I wrote expensive. Okay, I wrote expensive because he thinks that his basketball card is expensive because it has a gold trim. I know that it's not real gold though. Okay, so maybe you thought that it was worth a lot of money, or maybe priceless. That might be another good synonym. Okay, so it doesn't have to be the exact same word as long as you generally understand what it's saying. And I chose to use the word Tribmutton because it's huge. It's a big word. But I want you to know that big words don't have to be scary. We can break them apart into tiny little sections and then read it just fine. Okay, you are capable of that. You are able to read big words, even things that look scary. Okay, you can do it, and I'm giving you the tools to do so. Great job. I want you to share your definition with somebody next to you, and they're going to share it to you. Go for it. Pause the video if you need to. Okay, next slide. I wrote a new fluency practice just for you. I hope you cringe because it's full of middle school slang. All right, guys, you are the GOAT, bro. It's sus how good you are. Are you as weak as I am? Yo, man, fluency is lit. Okay, make sure you're paying attention to the punctuation marks. I want you to read this 2 times to somebody sitting next to you. They're going to read it 2 times to you. Pause the video. Go. All right, we have a new vocab word this week. So I'm still keeping trans, but I'm also adding con/com. So they actually mean the same thing. They both mean together or with, okay? But it's kind of weird. I looked this up to see why sometimes is it spelled con and why sometimes is it spelled com. Well, basically it just has to do with how it sounded with the rest of the word. And so that's why it was changed with some words. So, interesting. I would like you to read all 6 of these words. These ones are con words. These ones are com words, okay? Confide, conjoin, convince, complex, committee, and common. So a lot of times con words sounds like kun when you read it because of a schwa, which makes our vowel sounds sound a little different. So usually confide, so con words are actually, they sound like kun. Confide, conjoin, convince, okay, just because of a schwa. So thank you, English language. I would like you to read all 6 of these words to somebody sitting next to you. They're going to read all 6 to you, okay? And it means together or with. And I do have a hand signal for this one too, but it's kind of hard to see. So I'm giving a hug. Together or with. Together or with. Okay. All right, and last but not least, this word, along with trans, will be on your poster in your hallway. Okay, make sure you're looking for these words in your text in your classes, okay? Or it could even be in your text in your library book, okay? But make sure you give me, put your name in for the drawing. I haven't had any winners yet, okay? So make sure you do that. You can be my first winner. All right, have a super fantastic day, and I'll see you later, guys. Bye.